What's going on, G? So today we had the rates decision. Pretty much as expected, they left the 4.5%. So this is very, very bullish for gold, as it has been since 2024 or 2023 that the at least inflation is what is triggering the Feds to be more cautious. It's not only the Trump tariffs or all the mess that is being created around the Trump administration and the parasite that is Elon Musk. We also need to remember that we have still ongoing geopolitical issues. There's some news about the Ukraine war that it might be agreed a ceasefire, but the ball is in Putin's hands, so it's very complex at this point, so we need to stay cautious and keep the bias that gold is, as we can see, bullish. Yesterday, I shared with you these two zones that were the only imbalance we had at this moment for gold after the big push in this range. So this is the new all-time high area. We have a printed all-time high around 3045 or 3045 per ounce, and we have this imbalance that we retested 2 times. This is the 2 hour, so we now have this bullish pressure after the news release, the rates release that stayed the same as mentioned. It was around 13 minutes ago, so you can see this data or this news market prices in immediately, because it's nothing else matters. Like, they kept the same rates, so it's not the issue with the dollar, but with the economy. Like, the inflation is rising, people or investors are worried about the payments, or if the yields will be paid, or if their investments are safe if they accumulate dollar. So for now, the market won't accumulate dollar. Like, gold is the only tempting asset in this moment, or in this particular moment that we're having crisis. As you can see, everything else is going down. Bitcoin is not even close its all-time high that it was printed last year. Like, as you can see, well, actually it was this year, sorry for that. It was a minor break, but compared to all that, it's been breaking all-time highs since 2024 or the beginning of 2024. Like, the value is not even comparable. So you can decide to put your money in Bitcoin, but the reality is that if you invested in gold long term, you will be banking hard, because it just keeps going up, and for now it will remain going up. So that's from the perspective of an investor, but from the perspective of a trader like me that actually counter trends and it's all the time chasing opportunities. For now, as mentioned, my investing portfolio is only buying. That's a way that I can keep investors protected and the drawdown low, because it's not the same to buy and sell. So for gold, as you can see, if you're buying, you're making money, you're maximizing your money in every retracement. We're having every very good retracements, even though the price keeps going up. As you can see, this is a very good retracement to close positions and start again to position yourself in buys. Here you accumulate buys, and in the push to the upside or in the reversal, because this is not a change of structure or anything. This is just a minor retracement compared to the total move. So for now, it's just risky to use the sell model if you don't have the experience. And what I'm doing is I'm gonna add the data. I'm already processing some new models, so I can add the data to the investing model that I have working. It will be updated with 2004 to 2025 March up to the end of this week. Whatever happens this week, I'm gonna add this big push. I'm already covering up to the 15, that is this big push, but as you can see, we have a new cycle for all-time high, so I need to keep updating. That's the value of the premium WFX system. It keeps under constant optimization, because remember, there's no AI or even machine learning for retails right now. Is very complex, because you first need an edge that works. So the idea is the human is the one training the model. The information and data that we have access to is the one training the model. So that's the only thing we need. Keep things simple and your charts marked. As you can see, compared to the analysis, this was very on point. This is the zone that was triggered. Every line was touched. So that's just the easy way of trading. Keep it simple and make money. Have a good one, Jis.